Hey, my name is May, and I'm going to be trying some new lip products today. I got some stuff from Nyx, so I'm going to try those on for you, and you'll see how they look. So, actually, I got the first one I'm going to. So the first one I'm going to try is this one is uh from the NYX lingerie line, and so it's a shimmer, and it looks like it's white. I promise that it's not because that would look clownish on me, in my opinion. My opinion, which is correct. um, so I'm taking the wrapper off, and so you can see it's the shimmer, and the color is, I mean, it's just called clear, but yeah, it's supposed to be clear. So I'm just gonna see how the shine is with this one. Interesting. Definitely offers a shine. It is seeming to be quite white. I mean, it does have a shimmer in there. But I wonder, it kind of looks like, the shimmer might include white sparkles on there. I'm not gonna say that it looks bad per se, but I feel like this is like more than what I bargained for necessarily, and I don't know if I'd wear this on its own. Um, at least not on my top lip, because I feel like it makes me look ashy. Bottom lip's not so bad though. It does give a very like glossy, kind of dewy look. Maybe okay, maybe a little less on the top. I feel like I could vibe with this, but I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comments, because I'm like I'm kind of on the fence, but I feel like I can find a way to use it. The second one I'm gonna try is this is again from NYX, but it was in their line. It's in their lip gloss line called. Like I just got these, so I didn't unwrap them. In their lip gloss line called HD, it looks like. Wait. Lol, never mind. It's a concealer. I didn't notice that. It's a concealer. Well, anyway, I was interested in this concealer though. Like, it kind of looks like it's not my color, right? But then I like saw this, and then I just wanted to like try it on my skin tone, and I'm like, I feel like this is like acceptable. Like, I could use this as like a contour. I probably could use this as like a regular like color correct and stuff. So I mean, I think there's potential for it. I could use it for like some strong contour in there. So I like that. Now the third lip from NYX that I'm gonna try is this one is a matte. Oh, and I need to take this lip gloss off. And the color is called Aria. It looks like kind of like a maroon purple, like a maroon burgundy, and it's a matte lipstick. And all right, you see this, and then you see that color, like how it's like this interesting kind of like magenta almost, but it's like kind of deep too. So I kind of want to try that. Let me take off this lip first. I mean, maybe I shouldn't have tried the gloss before I put the lip on, but I feel like I got most of it off, and then I guess we'll see how intensely this lip works. If it can cover up if there's any leftover gloss on here. But, huh, I do like this color on me though. Okay. Mm, okay. I do like this color. I feel like I'd want to like zhuzh it up a little bit. I like a little gloss. I like a little glitter. I like a little glitter. But I do think this is nice. Let me see how. Okay, I know this is crazy. This is a matte, but And so it's supposed to not be super shiny. But I kind of want to see. I kind of want to see how the gloss looks on top of the lip color. How that clear gloss looked. I know, I'm defeating the whole point of buying a matte, but it'll still be here. The matte will still be here when I'm done. Okay, but I do like this color on me. I mean, it's a little, I don't know. I don't know. Do y'all think it's a little much? I don't know. I mean, it doesn't hurt. It couldn't hurt. It's okay. Anyway, I want to see what this gloss is doing. What's she doing, though? Okay. Okay. Yeah, I like this. I like this clear a lot more for like putting on top of something as opposed to like on its own. Yeah. She can make anything shiny. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, this is a vibe. I can handle this. I can handle this. I'm feeling this. I wonder what I'd do with eye. Probably something like a little subtle with eye, but all right. Anyway, enough of that. So I like that, and I do like the matte. I like the matte as well. I've been a fan of like NYX cosmetics for a while, like ever since I was like in high school. Like I just they were easily attainable for me, and the quality was like good enough for me. And to this day, I feel like it holds up. But Cassaz just looks like some kid put crayon on there. It's fine. Alrighty. It does seem like there's a little bit of stain on there, which actually I do not mind. I do not mind that. But the next one we're going to try, so this was in the NYX Suede matte lipstick, and it's in the color Don't Kill My Vibe. It's like a peachy color, and so it has this little heart on the outside. And so it gives you kind of the idea. It's kind of like a dusty rose kind of color, that's maybe a little bit reddish. And I just thought it was so interesting. I wanted to try it. So, already, already, it's giving orange and clownish. Oh, I'm afraid. Uh, yeah, no, man. My mama can pull off this color, not me. Yeah, no. Y'all forgive me. I'm gonna get canceled. I look like I look like I'm doing something else with this. This don't look like makeup. This look like something offensive. Hmm. Okay. Well, now that I cleaned it up a little bit, no, I tried. I tried to like this, but I just can't. This just does not. Mm-mm. No, ma'am. Maybe I applied it a little too heavy because like the more I wipe off, the less it's like okay, not too bad. Yeah, like the more I wipe it off, it's not too terrible. Yeah, I think this is definitely much more of a like dab it on than apply. Yeah. I feel like for me to use this, I would want to use it much more like a lip stain than a lipstick. You feel? But yeah, I could see this being a place. I could see this being a place. you know? Like, yeah. Like, it's not the worst color I've ever tried on. I was be looking clownish, though. If you made it this far in the video, comment the clown emoji down below. All right, so the last one from NYX that I'm gonna try, this one, and I need to wipe more of this off. But I you know, there's a way to do it. I'm tearing up my lips. Gonna need to moisturize them after this. But this last one I'm gonna try from NYX. So this one is called, it's from their Filler Instinct line, and the color is called Sugar Pie, which I have never had a sugar pie. I'm like, what does it taste like? Like, it just tastes like sugar, I assume. Like, is it different than butterscotch? Because I'd assume that they'd be like in the same vein. Or maybe it's like pecan pie without the pecans. Whatever, anyway. If you know what sugar pie is, let me know. But this is Filler Instinct, and it's in this really cute container. It has this kind of like gold leopard print kisses situation going on, which I think is interesting. Like some throw pillows with that on there would be cute, I think. Anyway, I'm gonna try this. And it's a lip, and it's kind of in like a burgundy brown color. Oh, thank you. Thank you. This is, yeah, I like this color. I know it's subtle and it doesn't seem like there's much going on here, but like, it's just kind of close to my skin tone, but I also like that it blends in. See, it's not super, super pigmented. It's kind of more of a like a, but I feel like that's kind of part of why I like it, because I guess I'm not, like when I was younger and I first started doing makeup, I loved a bold lip, and now I'm kind of like, give me a bold eye. Now my lips are already full enough, so it's not like you're gonna miss seeing them. So I might as well. I kind of feel like, I like doing a bold eye, so I usually want to like tone down the lip a little bit because I'm like bold eye and contour. And then like if my lip is also a big color, I'm just gonna. I will not be vibing with it anymore. That is just me. But maybe I can find a way to do it where I will like it. Because practice makes perfect, right? So now as a little bonus, on the end of this episode, I have two more things that I want to share with you. So in addition to the NYX products, I actually got a couple things from Walmart. Maybe it doesn't seem like much of a bonus, but I wanted to try these Walmart products because there was a couple of them that I just thought were interesting, so I wanted to share them with you and see what you think. But anyway, and I like that one. So this is just, Walmart basic Wet n Wild situation. It looks like it's kind of like, kind of doing a little fairy moment where it's, kind of pink and purpley and, Barbie hidden forest kind of situation. So I feel like this would be, pretty, like a nice, cute complementary gloss if you're doing something, having like a really like pink or like a really purpley, glittery, girly outfit moment situation thingy. I'm still trying to get the wrapper off. Come on, girl. Liberate yourself. Okay, here she is. All right. And you can see it has this kind of like pink, like a light kind of purple blue color going on. I want to see how well that goes on. It doesn't really do too much, to be honest, which I appreciate because there's a time and a place. I feel like this, provides it's like good subtlety. So you can just add like a little bit of like purpley warmth to whatever lip you have going on, or just accent if you're doing like a bright eye or something, and it still kind of matches. And it doesn't have a weird smell, so that's convenient. That's nice. Like sometimes lip gloss will just be like, especially from Walmart, sometimes like Walmart lip gloss will just be like, why she smell like this? you know. So. All right. Now the last one that I got from Walmart, it was Revlon. It's called Violet Frenzy, and it's this kind of like dark purple color. Like this like deep purple magenta kind of situation. I want to try this on. I have one kind of like it, but it's lighter. So hmm. Yeah, and it doesn't go on too heavy. Yeah, and it just adds like a little bit of purple. Yeah, I like that. I know not everyone wants like like a light coverage with their lip, but it's just I don't want to look like I put paint on my face, you know? You know. Give me a little bit of opacity, like lower the opacity of it, okay? I want to see because it has a little bit of purple how like the gloss behaves with it, like the purpley gloss that I just tried. Mm, okay. I mean, it was already a little shiny, but okay. I do like the shine. I do like the shine. Okay. Now I know I said I didn't like a very bold lip right now, but I didn't say I didn't like a very shiny lip. I like a shiny lip. I got a lot of matte stuff, but I like my shining moments. You know, I have some glitter on the eye. I need some glitter on the face. You know. All right. Well, anyway, that was the last bit. Let me know what you thought of these. Which one was your favorite? If you was agreeing with me with the clownish moment, and I will see you in the next one. Let me know if there's any other things you want me to try. But anyway, thanks for joining in on the mayhem. I will catch y'all later. Bye.